Okay, next thing for systems of equations. So we're going to work on linear, and we're going to deal with elimination. So when we're doing elimination, we're trying to do just that. We're trying to eliminate one of the variables. So the very first step is to just write one equation directly underneath the other. Okay, there's no one set rule which needs to go on which. So basically what you want to do is you want to scale one or both of these equations so that when you either add or subtract them, one of the variables is eliminated. So we're going to add x's with x's, y's with y's, and constant terms with constant terms. So it does not matter. I'm going to actually scale this bottom equation by 3. And the reason why I'm going to do that is because I'm looking to have the same coefficient in front of the x or the y. And it's just really easy to do with the y. So I'm going to rewrite the top equation, scale this bottom equation by 3. So I haven't changed it, I've just scaled it, still the same equation. And now I decide, am I going to add or subtract these two equations? So when I add them, because this is a positive 3 and this is negative 3, it's eliminated. If they are both negatives or both positives, I would need to subtract. So then I add x's with x's, so x plus 12x is 13x, 3y minus 3y, 0 y's, 9 plus 30 is 39. Divide both sides by 13, x equals 3. So my first step when I'm doing elimination is to put one equation on top of the other. My next step is to scale one or both of the equations. My next step is to then eliminate one and solve for either x or y. And then I pick one of these two equations to plug this back into to solve for y. It really doesn't matter which one. Let's pick this one. So 4 times 3 minus y equals 10. So 12 minus y equals 10. So I'm going to bring the 12 on this side. So minus y equals minus 2. So y equals 2. So that's the last step in the elimination method. I take the variable I have and I plug it back in one of the two equations. Does not matter which one you do. And I always check my work. So if this is true, if I plug 3 and 2 in here, I should get 9. So 3 plus 6 is 9. So I checked it. I'm feeling good about things. That's the elimination method.